friends, today we're unboxing this fun haul from Oden's Eye. I picked up 12 shades from their Jewel Shine Single Eyeshadow collection, and I'm so excited to share these with you. From the ethereal glow of Sif to the deep allure of Wyatt, these shadows are dazzling. Let's have some fun swatching these gorgeous shadows. Now, sadly, one of the shadows, as you can see here, arrived broken, which is odd since everything was impeccably packaged and protected like to the nines. With that said, I emailed the company to see about getting a replacement or a refund, but I've yet to hear back from them. I'll keep you guys posted on this. If you'd like to see me using every shadow in this haul on my eyes, along with a full update and review, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Bren's Boutique, and turn on your notifications so you won't miss it. That video is coming very soon. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I'll see you soon.
Route 66 and we keep on driving. We just your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the hours. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the hours. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.